Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite desserts, brioche with poached pears and blueberry foam. So let's do it. I start with making my brioche. So I measure first all ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, salt and yeast. Then I put everything apart from butter inside the machine and leave it to mix properly. Then I mix slowly butter inside the dough. Now I just make nice ball and leave it to proof inside the oven on minimum heat. In 1 hour, I will take it out, make shape of my brioche and leave it to proof even more. Last step is to bake it around 170 degrees Celsius, 30 to 40 minutes, depend of the size. And brioche is done. Just leave it to cool it down before you cut it in. Next, I have to do poached pear. So I peel one pear and I'm gonna cook it slowly inside the water with sugar, cinnamon, star anise, clove and lemon juice until pear will be soft. And if you like today's recipe guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to go like a pro at home. Now I'm gonna do easy chocolate chips with almonds. So I baked peanut almonds inside the oven for few minutes first. Then I melt milk chocolate on bain-marie. In this time our almonds roasted, so I take them out and leave it to cool it down. Then I blend them inside the machine and mix them with chocolate. Last step is to spread it on something non-stick and leave it to cool it down. And chocolate chips are done. Now it's time to start with my blueberry sauce. So first, I put cream and milk inside the pan and bring it to boil. Then I mix egg yolks and sugar inside the bowl. And then mix boiling cream slowly inside the eggs. Now I wanna cook it slowly until sauce will be thick. Move it to the blender, put some blueberries in and blend everything together. Last step is to pass the sauce through the chinois and because I wanna do nice foam, I put the mix inside the whipping bottle and it's ready for plating. Now I wanna roast little bit my brioche. So I cut my shapes and give them color on the pan. And if you're amateur home cook and would like to learn fine dining cooking properly, learn how you can create your own recipes, improve plating, and be able to cook Michelin star dishes at home without looking for tips and recipes all the time, check out the link in the description down below and book your free consultation call with me and let's talk about how can I help you to achieve your cooking goals. Last thing I have to do is to cut my poached pear and I'm ready for plating. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I totally recommend you do it so you can learn more about fine dining cooking and ask me your questions. I start with my crispy brioche. Pears, poached in cinnamon and star anise. Then is coming amazing blueberry foam. Chocolate chips with roasted almonds. And finish it with lemon balm. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you wanna learn more about fine dining cooking, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.